So let's just take you through some of the demands being made by Anna Hazare there and the people backing him, just to give you an idea of where they stand against the government's proposal there. So you're seeing that the first point there, the government's proposal for the bill gives no power to the Lokpal to initiate actions suo moto. It says the Lokpal will entertain complaints forwarded only by LS Speaker or the Lok Sabha Speaker or the Chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Hazare and his colleagues on the other hand are asking for the Lokpal to be empowered to initiate investigations suo moto and directly entertain complaints from the public. Remember, they're saying the fight against corruption should be considered India's second freedom struggle. Another proposal from the government that the Lokpal should be an advisory body that can forward its report to the competent authority after an inquiry. Hazare's demand to empower the Lokpal to initiate prosecution after completing the probe. And also, as you're seeing there, that the Lokpal should be allowed to register an FIR as opposed to what the government's proposed bill allows. Now, the proposed bill also says that there should be no jurisdiction over bureaucrats and officers who come under the CVC. Hazare and company demanding that that jurisdiction be allowed over bureaucrats and politicians, and also to merge the CVC into the Lokpal, so to make that a more overbearing authority there. The proposal is the Lokpal will consist of 3 members, all retired judges. Hazare's demand, along with his colleagues, that the Lokpal should have 10 members, only 4 of them need to have a legal background.
The kind of bill which has been drafted by the government of ministers is one more replica of the Lok Ayuks, which are weak, toothless and merely advisory.
हमारा ये कहना है कि प्रधानमंत्री ये कह रहे हैं कि जॉइंट कमेटी नहीं बनाएंगे, हमारे एक ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स बनाएंगे इसको। ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स में कौन है? शरद पवार। शरद पवार इस देश का एंटी करप्शन लॉ बनाएंगे। क्या ये पूरे देश की इंसल्ट नहीं है? मोइली का अपना पास्ट कितना खराब रहा है सब जानते हैं, और मोइली ने यही जो सरकारी लोकपाल बिल है, जो कमजोर है, जो बर्बाद लोकपाल बिल है, वो मोइली ने ड्राफ्ट किया। वो अब ये नया लोकपाल बिल ड्राफ्ट करेंगे। कपिल सिब्बल, उनको 2G में घोटाला ही नजर नहीं आता, तो वो ऐसा लोकपाल ड्राफ्ट करेंगे जिसमें फ्यूचर का 2G कवर ही ना हो। तो ऐसे लोग हमारे देश का एंटी करप्शन लॉ बनाएंगे, हमें इन पे भरोसा नहीं है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कि यही बनाएंगे, तो हमारी को फिर लड़ना पड़ेगा, सड़कों पे उतरना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेरे पैसे की चोरी हो रही है, आपके पैसे की चोरी हो रही है, मेरा भविष्य, मेरी जिंदगी दांव पे लगी हुई है।